In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free, professional banner in Canva. We'll go from a blank canvas to a polished design you can download and use right away, keeping everything simple and clear. Start by opening Canva. In the search bar at the top, type banner. You'll see ready-made options like use, YouTube banner, website banner, and Facebook cover. Choose the one that matches where you'll use the design. Picking a preset size saves you time and ensures your banner fits perfectly on that platform without cropping or blurry edges. Once your template is open, let's customize it. Click anywhere on the background to change the color, or swap it for an image. Solid colors keep things clean, while photos or textures add personality. Next, click text to add your title or message. Keep your text short, clear, and easy to read. Then head to Elements to add shapes, lines, icons, or graphics that support your message. If you have your own images or logos, go to Uploads and select Upload Files to bring them in. Move and resize everything until it looks balanced. Use the drag handles to scale, and watch for the pink guides that help you align and center objects neatly. Now, let's apply some design styling to make it pop. Click Styles to try curated color palettes. This is an easy way to find colors that work well together. For your headline, open the Effects panel and experiment with options like shadow, outline, or lift to improve readability and add depth. Keep effects subtle so the text stays crisp. Adjust spacing so nothing feels cramped. The Position tool is your best friend here. Use it to center items perfectly and evenly distribute elements. If your banner is for a platform like YouTube, keep critical text and logos away from the edges so they won't get cut off on different devices. When you're happy with the layout, it's time to download. Click the Share button in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select PNG for the file type, as it delivers sharp details and clean edges, ideal for banners. Click Download, and Canva will prepare your file. That's it. You opened a banner template, customized the background, text, and elements. Refine the style with palettes and effects, align everything with position, and exported a crisp PNG. Save your project in Canva so you can update it later, and you'll have a reusable banner template ready for any channel.